Good morning, students. Here, ninth standard supplementary, unit 2 supplementary, the fun they had. It was written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov. Here we see this title. First, what is meant by the fun they had? The title is going to be explaining like this. The fun they had. If we are having a fun, what type of fun we are having it? Due to Corona, we are living in home. We didn't come to school and not get the lessons from the school. We are in the home. We get the lessons through WhatsApp or online class. These type of thinking, these type of things happening in that situation, in this situation, we are getting it like this. But here the fun, what type of fun it is? The teacher teaches the lesson through the video. You are not coming to school and get the class or lessons from the, not lessons from the school. You are not taking the lessons from the school. You are taking a lesson from WhatsApp or online video. These type of things. This is the fun. Fun happening in Tamil Nadu, fun happening in all over the world. Fun is your dad and mom like this. They are living in home to work. That is the fun. Fun means it is not a normal thing. It is totally different from normal. That is the fun. Okay. So the fun they had, that is the fun. Funniest moment, the happy moment, that is fun. But see this, Isaac Asimov, the author introduction. The author is Isaac Asimov. About the author, he was born in America. He was born in America. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. The third point, he was considered one of the best science fiction writer. The third point is relating with this story. Why? Because this is a science fiction story. He compares the year. Now we are living in the year of 2020. I narrate the story, or I narrate the supplementary how the future will be in the year of 2157. I'm going to mention it. The author mentioned this message from this supplementary. What type of message? Now he mentioned everything. This character, Tommy, 13 years old boy, Margie, 11 years old girl, mother, Mrs. Jones, county inspector, mechanic of mechanical teacher, mechanic teacher, replace humans in teaching the students of 2157, 17th May. This is the landing date. This is the portraying of date and year by Isaac Asimov. These characters are living in the future. When they are living 2157, that year they are living. Okay. But this is the science fiction story. How the future is going to be lived. Without technology we cannot live. That is, the technology is occupied all over the things in 2157. That things only expressed through this story. These characters are living in the year of 2157. Okay. How the classrooms are, how the schools, how it happened. Everything will be seen through this way. Can you understand? Okay. Now, present school and future school. I tell you about the present school and okay. We see the three things. Okay. Past, present, and future. Okay. Now this past school, the people were sitting under the tree and get the education from the teachers. And also the students were going to attend the teacher's home and get the lesson. These type of thinking in the past. Present time, we are having a schools, separate building. We are entering into the school. We are getting the lessons through the teacher. Inside the classroom, we are having a lot of friends, lot of students. The schools has a lot of students. Present time, we are having it. Go to school and get the lessons. This type of atmosphere in the present time of schools. Future time schools, what is happening, what is going to live, what is telling about the school, the future. The future, through the story, he narrates his own view of future with the help of these characters. He said that the school is not having a separate building. Each and every home has a school rooms. Each and every, when 2157, each and every home has a school room. Inside the house, school room. They are having a school room. That school room, each and every home has a children. 1 or 2 children, 3 children, they are having it. That children has a separate school room, separate mechanical teacher, separate mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher only teaches the lesson to the students. Like the students are having the lessons like this. Example, 2157, one student, like Tommy and Margie, they are living in 2157. That year they are living. Tommy has a separate school room inside the home. Margie has a separate school room inside the home. But they are living in the one home. But they are having a separate school's room in the house. Tommy is listening the lessons through the mechanical teacher. So who is that mechanical teacher? Mechanical teacher is a computer device. It is coming to teach replace of humans. He teaches. Tommy, he learns the lessons through the screen, through the mechanical teacher. Then Margie is having a separate schools and she is listening the classes through mechanical teacher. She is listening. Both are listening the teachers. They are having a which teacher? Mechanical teacher. When? 2157. Mother, Mrs. Jones. County inspector. Whose mother? Tommy and Margie's mother. Tom and Margie. They are having a mother. That mother name is Mrs. Jones. County inspector. Who is that county inspector? They are having a mechanical teacher. If there is any problem of mechanical teacher, he definitely comes and gives the treatment for mechanical teacher. Who gives treatment? Treatment means he repairs. He repairs the mechanical things. Who is going to repair? County inspector. That's why I am telling you the character mechanic of mechanical teacher. County inspector. The next, last character, mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher only teaches the lesson to Tommy and Margie. Okay. Once Tommy had a mechanical teacher. That teacher had a problem. If human beings, we understand the students' feeling and give the lessons. But mechanical teacher doesn't have emotions and understand the student's mind. Didn't understand the student's mind. If mechanical teacher continuously teaches to the students, the students has a stress. Tommy had a stress because his teacher, his mechanical teacher gives a lot of lessons about history. He didn't even take the lot things from the mechanical teacher. But the mechanical teacher gives a lot of history lessons to the Tommy. So Tommy understands my mechanical teacher is fault. He said to his mother, and mother calls the county inspector. He comes to get the mechanical teacher to repair. County inspector gets the mechanical teacher to repair. He takes months to repair. He takes a months to repair. He repaired after. He came back to give the mechanical teacher to Tommy. It has taken 1 month. It passed. Next, Margie's mechanical teacher is also fault. Which type of fault means Margie's mechanical teacher is teaching the which type of lesson? Geography lessons. It has given a lot of geography lessons to Margie. Margie has a depressed because it is not understand my feelings. It gives a lot of test about geography. It gives a lot of pages to geography. Mechanical teacher is not a teaching. Mechanical teacher is showing the pictures, showing the picture of showing the books on the screen. That is the way to teach. Mechanical teacher. So Margie is totally depressed about the teaching of mechanical teacher. Next, Margie calls her mother and said, "My mother, it is fault." So mother calls the county inspector again. County inspector, he comes and takes the mechanical teacher of Margie. Margie is very happy because she didn't take the lessons from mechanical teacher. So she is very happy. The county inspector gives the county inspector at least takes a month to repair. So I am very happy to this time. But suddenly county inspector repairs the mechanical teacher of Margie. The next day he comes and gives the mechanical teacher to Margie. Margie was totally depressed, totally upset because he gives the mechanical teacher to the Margie. So Margie can understand. Then he explained Margie's mechanical teacher is giving a lot of geography lesson. Why? Because it is the fault. It has the fast movement of it. It has a fast movement fault. That's why I repaired and give it to your daughter, ma'am. He said to and get the money from the county inspector after he went away from that home. That is the mechanical teacher having a problem of Tommy and Margie. Can you understand? County inspector. Next, Tommy was searching the home. Tommy is searching the home and he gets the one book. They didn't see a book in his period of 2157. That year he didn't see any book. He didn't know the book and he didn't know the classrooms. Everything they didn't know because they are having a mechanical teacher. They teach us all that. So they didn't. They have to read. They have to study help of the mechanical teacher only, not the book wise. Example for we are having a book. We want to read something and going to attend the examination. But they are having an examination in the future. Tommy and Margie are having an examination, but they didn't read or study through the book wise. They are having a mechanical wise. Can you understand? Okay. Tommy gets the book. He searches in his home and he gets the book. That book is printed book. It is a normal book. Whose that book? It is sold by Tommy to his sister and both are gathering and see the book. It is totally different. It is printed book. Whose that book? Tom and Margie's great grandfather's book. That book has mentioned everything. How the class in the past time. His great grandfather mentioned it. Whose? Dear grandfather mentioned it message through the book. That book has these things. What type of things? Grandfather said, my classroom has a human teacher. Students are gathered here and we are getting the lessons from the teachers, not the mechanical teacher like this. We are inside the classroom, we are having a board. All the things mentioned in the book, they are reading through the book. These type of things from great grandfather mentioned all those things. We are having a classroom has a board benches and the students are gathering here, get the lessons from teachers, and we are having a playground, we are chatting each other, we are enjoying ourselves. These type of things mentioned in the book. Margie, mother calls Margie. Margie, your class is going to start, you come here. Then she leaves Tommy and the book. She goes to attend the class, mechanical class, but she didn't listen the class of mechanical teacher. Why? She is thinking about the great grandfather mentioned message, because she depressed, because I am only person to see the mechanical teacher. Each and everyone has a mechanical teacher, not the one mechanical teachers all the students. Each and every student has a mechanical teacher. Okay, Tommy has a different mechanical teacher, Margie has a different mechanical teacher. So Margie totally thinking about great grandfathers mentioned, we didn't have a playground, we didn't have a human teacher. I am totally I am living in the 2157, but I am not living like a past people, because if the students enjoying to carry the lessons, if the single person is going to get the lessons from someone, it is totally difficult. That's why it is telling through this story. Next, Margie is still thinking about only the which type of class is better, the past type of great grandfather mentioned the message, that type of class is very well, not in the technology classes. It is boring to them, they are thinking like this. Technology is going to be alive with us, but it is taken all the areas, almost all the area. Like we are having a phone, we get a video call, message, everything will be doing the mobile phone. But technology occupied all the area, but one or two area definitely do only human, not in the technology. Technology is affecting some other places, all the places, or it is not good. Some other places it is good, some other places it is affecting. That is the thing it is going to tell from this story. Okay, next we are having in this the fun they had into Tamil. இப்போ நான் சொல்லிட்டேன், ஏற்கனவே இந்த ஸ்டோரியை வந்து நரேட் பண்ணி சொல்லிட்டேன். இப்போ வந்து டெக்னாலஜி வந்து எப்படி ஆக்குப்பை நம்மளை பண்ணியிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்ல போனால், இப்போ நம்ம கொரோனாவில் இருந்துட்டு வீட்டிலேருந்து தான் லெசனை படிக்கணும், ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்துலாம் நம்ம படிக்கிறது கிடையாது, சரிங்களா? அப்போ நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், அப்போ கரெக்டாக படிச்சுட்டு அப்படி இருக்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு டிப்ரெஸ் இருக்கும், நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை பார்க்கல, டீச்சர் பாடம் நம்ம நேராக நடக்கலை, அப்படிலாம் அவனுக்கு திங்கிங். அதே தான் இடத்துல சொல்ல வராங்க. இப்போ இந்த கேரக்டர்லாம் எங்கே வாழ்றதா சொன்னாங்க? டாமி, மார்கி, மதர், கவுண்டி இன்ஸ்பெக்டர், மெக்கானிக்கல் டீச்சர் இவங்கெல்லாம் எப்போ வாழ்கிறாங்கன்னா 2150 அந்த வருடத்தில் வாழ்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இதை நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்டில் நல்லா தெளிவாக பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.